Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the resolution on the Bilibili Comics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select Comic and tap to the settings button under the comment section at the left side on the screen, and the resolution section you can select HD, HD or RAW quality. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.